Hey guys, so today we've come to visit Radisson Blue and we are going to be tasting all the delicious foods in the great kebab factory. We had actually come for my grandmother's birthday and so I'm ready to dive in. The ambience of the place was just stunning and the setup of the table was elegant. They had actually prepped us up with some bread, salad, soup, and fruit platter, and it was actually really tasty. So it was a nice way to start our lunch. The soup was just fantastic. It was my brother enjoying the soup. And let's invite the main hero, shall we? So, the kebabs. The first kebab of the day was the galuti kebab. So, the kebab was provided with a type of roti. There were different dips and there were some onions. They had suggested us that we should use the mint chutney and onions and we should roll it up like a Frankie. And wow, it was actually a melt in the mouth. It's the first time I am trying the galuti kebab and it was just amazing. My brother here is again enjoying this galuti kebab and he was actually awestruck when he ate it. It was just so good. And next, we are having the kuti mirch chuza, which was type of a chicken leg piece. And yes, that was just a delight to eat. The next served ups are machi ajwani. I think I'm pronouncing it properly, but it was actually really nice to eat too. We had ordered some mojitos for ourselves, and it was actually really refreshing and a nice drink. And the next kebab of the day was the ghost pudur seek, which is being served. It was actually really nice, little different. We also had the Peshwari Murg Tikka, which was just very unique, I would say. And we were served the Achore Boti, which was just like a lamb chop, I would say. And last but not the least, we had the Adhiyari Jaga, which was a type of a prawn. And yeah, it was just amazing. Like, there were no words to describe any of the kebabs which we just ate.
We had Murg Dum biryani and we missed out on Mughalai ghost and Kade Murg and Indian breads because we were so full on the kebabs.
But we always have space for dessert, so let's start with our desserts. We had the kala jamun, moong dal halwa, cham cham, and moti choy laddu, and they were all just delightful. They were just mind blowing. Like, I was just too stunned to speak. It was really good. And last but not least, ice cream. We had gulfi. I think they had given us two options, either a pan gulfi or kesar gulfi, and we are choosing kesar. And wow, it was actually really nice. Overall, we had a really nice dinner and it was really amusing. And let's move on to the part where I came for portraits and photos. The best thing you can do on a Sunday evening. So, yes, just took a lot of clicks. It was a nice lunch, and see you in the next video.